guys, it's Casey here from Luxury Time. I know it's been a quick minute since we last did one of these videos, but as you can see, we've got a lot of really cool, exciting watches to show you guys. So let's jump into it. Now, before we get going, I just want to show you what I'm wearing today. Today, I've got the Ulysses Nadine Freak on. Really gorgeous watch, nice domed glass, exposed hands, really stands out. Not something that you're going to see every day here. Before we get started on this unboxing, I just want to let you guys know you can find all of our watches up on our website at www.luxurytime.co.za. So first up, we're going to start with this gorgeous Longines. Comes in such a nice little box, and this is part of the new Master collection. This is the new 40mm Longines Automatic Master. So as you guys can see, the watch has a really nice silver dial with blue steeled hands and Arabic numerals. Also comes with a nice open exhibition case back, so you can see that beautiful automatic movements. And you guys can find this watch for around 29,000 Rand on our website. Okay, so the next thing that we have here is the TAG Heuer Aquaracer Solograph. This watch comes in 40mm, charges through the dial, and it is gorgeous. Stainless steel sandblasted black DLC coating. Some of these new releases from TAG really are starting to stand out. They're not putting out the same things that they used to, and we're starting to see a bit more creativity from them. And on our website, you can find this watch listed for around 44,000. So next we've got the Montblanc 1858 Mono Pusher Chronograph. This watch comes with a satin dial with beads of rice bracelet, incredibly comfortable. The dial also comes with beautiful Arabic numerals, sporting a nice contrasting black and beige dial. These Mono Pusher chronographs really aren't something we see on new watches released now, so it's pretty cool seeing some more vintage coming through in modern pieces. This you can also find on our website for 39,900 Rand. So next up, we've got the Tudor Black Bay 41 chronograph. This is the reverse panda dial, and in my opinion, this far supersedes the Daytona, especially in what you're paying for. Love the contrast on that dial. The 41mm case also wears so nicely no matter what wrist size you have, if you've got a smaller wrist or something bigger. And this you can find for around 79,900. Next up, we've got the Tudor Black Bay 58, stainless steel on a bracelet. This watch comes in at 39mm, so it wears super comfortably if you do have a smaller wrist. Just a great everyday tool watch. You can dress it up, dress it down. And this watch you can find for 58,900 Rand. Next up, we've got the IWC Pilot. This comes with a gorgeous green dial and the open case back. Comes in at a very nice, comfortable 41mm on the leather strap. Such a perfect everyday watch. Okay, so next up is the IWC Big Pilot's watch. This comes with a nice black dial and Arabic numerals. Also has the power reserve on display there. This watch is quite a bit bigger than the green Pilots that I just showed you guys. This comes in at 46mm. So it's definitely for those bigger boys out there. Definitely a statement piece. And you can find this watch for 199,900 Rand. So moving on now from IWC, we're going to take a look at one of my favorite brands. And I definitely think it is quite underrated at the moment. And that is Panerai. This is one of their newer releases. As you can see, it comes in their new traveling case. Love the little box that it comes in. You can double this as a little traveling pouch for your watch, making sure it's safe wherever you're going. And this is the Panerai Luminor Marina E-Steel. This watch comes with a grey quarter Arabic dial. Really has a nice gradient there in the lighting, stainless steel. And this is also produced with mainly resourced and reused metals, giving it that E-Steel name. And you can find this watch on our website for 129,900. I've got another two Panerais to show you guys. First off, I'm going to start with this Panerai Lumina Quaranta. This comes in 40mm and sports a white quarter Arabic dial. At 40mm, I would definitely classify this as being a unisex watch. And this comes with an olive rubber strap as well as a black leather strap, so you can dress it up or down, take it to the beach, wear it to a formal event. It's the perfect everyday watch. So this watch you can find on our website for 124,900 Rand. So the last Panerai that I want to show you guys today is the Panerai Radimar SLC, 47 millimeters, and this comes with a 3-day power reserve. Absolutely gorgeous watch with this beige leather strap. The watch has a beautiful black dial, and the real money is in the back here with that manual wind movement. So even though this is probably one of the biggest watches that I'm showing you guys today, it's one of my favorites, and you can have this piece for 109,900 Rand. So now we're getting to the end of the unboxing. I've got two very special watches to show you. First, let's start over here. This is the IWC Big Pilot Perpetual Calendar Top Gun Edition. So this watch comes with a black titanium and ceramic case, has a perpetual calendar complication with a black Arabic dial, and a fabric strap. The watch comes in at a beefy 48 millimeters, and if you never want to have to worry about setting your watch again, this is the watch for you. And this Top Gun perpetual calendar you can find on our website for 389,900 Rand. So this might come to no one's surprise, but we've got another IWC perpetual calendar in, this time the Rodeo Drive. So this watch comes with a black ceramic and titanium case with a gorgeous blue Arabic dial. This watch is a little bit smaller than the Top Gun edition, coming in at 46.5 millimeters, and you can find this watch listed on our website for 451,900 Rand. So I've now saved the best for last. Just a tease before we get there. We've got the Rolex Datejust 41 millimeters with the blue Roman dial, with the Jubilee bracelet and the fluted bezel. And this has to be one of my favorite dial combinations for the Rolex Datejust. Can't guarantee this is going to be in stock for very long. These watches sell like crazy. So I hope you guys have been enjoying this unboxing so far. Please let me know down in the comments below if there's anything that you want us to see, any content you want, if you want some more behind the scenes in the office. So here I've got the Rolex Day Date in Everose 40 millimeters with the olive dial. And this is an absolutely heavy hitter. The green dial with the Roman numerals, fluted bezel, absolutely showstopper. This is not something you can just walk into any AD and purchase. You can find this watch listed on our website for 1,049,900 Rand. Complete set with box and papers. And these day dates certainly are not watches that we get in all the time, so make sure to grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let us know down below if there's anything you want us to see. Just remember, time is a luxury. Invest in it.